Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the Kingskloof Hiking Trail in the West Rand of Gauteng, South Africa. Come with me! The Kingskloof Hiking Trail, using Johannesburg as a reference, is 50.9 kilometers via the N12 Southern Bypass. It is on a farm on Oak Tree, Muldersdrift. When you get there, there is ample parking space and clean toilets right at the main entrance of the farm. The Kingskloof Hiking Trail caters for running, cycling, and walking. Well, I walked. The trail is stunning in general. It features a beautiful lake which allows for canoeing and is just therapeutic to stare at. The trail is well marked with a reminder here and there on which direction to take. There's also quite a variety of route options for all skill levels. There's actually 5 to choose from: black, red, yellow, green, and blue. Obviously, they differ in distance and intensity. Others ascend more, others are more downhill, others a little bit of both, and some just plain simple. Now, the black arrows lead the 22-kilometer route, which my friends and I completed, by the way. The red arrows lead the 20-kilometer route. The yellow ones lead the 17-kilometer route. The green lead the 14-kilometer route. The blue arrows lead the 7-kilometer route. Cyclists, runners, and hikers use the same trails. It's no biggie, really. As long as we got our selfie ops, we were good. Would you look at that? It's official. Nature is my new best friend. I know what you're thinking. No, there are no wild animals, just cows. A lot of cows. We are 5 kilometers in and so much has happened. We've already gotten lost twice, but we found our way and part of our group has already left us. But I'm sure we'll catch up somewhere. But so far, it's amazing. This trail is known for its mountainous ascents, its natural pools, its river crossings, and spectacular views of flora. Oh, I think I saw a protea flower. The waterfall area, finally. When you get here, there are 2 ways for you to get to the actual water. Use this way. It's the safest, plus the things we do for the gram, right?
Yeah?
Yes, the water is cold. It's the winter season in South Africa right now, but my friends are cool, okay? Save some strength for later because the route back is somewhat intense. Lastly, there is this calming space where you can enjoy a beautiful picnic right by the lakeside. Like my friend said, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment.